I got my Simply Gilded subscription. It's time to open it up and show you this month's subscription, which is August 2019. I get the 5mm add-on subscription. I really do like this month. It comes with 2 stick-on pin loops, a velvet bow charm. I got 2 of the Jasper journaling cards. You get Jasper seals and then some very beautiful fall themed bow seals. A B6 sized notebook. Here are the stickers in their packaging. This is this month's pouch. This is this month's dipped gel pen. I don't know if it's really focusing on it. It's an ombre effect. Here are this month's washies. You have the mushroom washi, a plaid washi, a wood washi, a stardust, a simple line, and I love the ombre bow this month. That is the August 2019 Simply Gilded subscription box with the 5mm add-on. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.